How's it going, y'all? I hope you're doing well. So I'm going to show you today what I call the fried chicken fire method. As you can see here, we've got some pretty subpar wood that's been chewed up by a bunch of bugs. This is some cottonwood, which burns really fast anyway, and it being punky works really well for this method. So we're going to cheat a bit. We got some cardboard, we got some used shavings from a project, and we'll tear up some old Fish and Game regs. And all of this is going to act like a sponge for the oil that we're going to put on here in a minute. So this is the oil. This just happens to be the bottle it's in. It may not actually be this particular brand. So I usually get 2, maybe 3 fries out of oil. I'll put the first batch in the fridge and then reuse it, so at least 2. And then after that, you can turn it into candles or use it in a method like this. And this works really, really well, which you'll see in a minute here. So give everything good dousing. It's not going to hurt. It's going to soak into the wood, and the wood is going to act like a wick, and then kind of like a lamp wood. So it kind of starts off slow. It takes a minute for the flames to catch, but when it does, you'll see that it will catch rather quickly. So you want to be careful with this method. These flames can reach 6 to 9 plus feet depending on how high your fire stacked, so you want to make sure there's nothing above them. Another thing to note here is that surrounding the fire will smell like fried chicken, so it adds kind of an interesting ambiance to the whole effect, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. Have a great day, y'all, and go out and enjoy Campfire.